Have you ever felt in that way? Doesn't matter how many efforts, how many actions you are making, it's just your life is not going anywhere. You're stuck and you're feeling slowly drained to this feeling like there is no changes, no outcome, no transformation at all with your life. Hi everyone, and I want to tell you, you are not alone right here, right now. Because the transformation, what we're putting towards our actions and goals and aims, is not gonna change overnight. You have to be persistent and be 100% what you chosen by as a goal, as your aim, or as a wish to achieve in your life. You cannot stop by to achieving it. Therefore, every single day, whatever small actions you are making is count by. That problem is not just you. This problem with so many other of us out there who aiming to have a better life or just to have our meaning, our aims, our wishes to be fulfilled. And some days it just seems like so far, or because of the present moment and the circumstances, reflecting on that, why would you dream about that? You know that you cannot make that happen. Or might from the past somebody just put it in your head, you are not good enough, you're not educated enough, you cannot have those things what you're aiming because it's just not meant for you. Have you had those people in your life? If so, believe me, there is a way to overcome those. And to overcome those, you simply have to be honest to your own self. And those people who have achieved it, what you're aiming to have, you have to put it in front of you as this is your sign to be the next one. Because as those people are achieved that, there is the sign you can do it as well. But how to do that? And how to be different. Let's start it with that one. How to be different, please. As you know that on this planet, no any other human creation like you. You are an absolutely unique creation, what God given, the universe given, and therefore you have to bring this one out, who you really truly are. And how to do that? By simply meditating or practicing mindfulness sessions or hypnotherapies is a really absolutely beneficial way to bring your inner self to grow, to extend, to become. And the other things about what I was saying is the small actions have to take towards your dreams and goals, even though these are small, but is affecting. So try to not to worry about how small little tiny steps you're making each day, more than like congratulate yourself as you done small steps, because those steps are counting, as I said before. And most importantly, we cannot build a house without of a great foundation. Therefore, what small steps, small rocks or blocks you are taking to this house to build up, to achieve your dreams and goals is really counting. And the other thing, print out all those people who you fascinated about, who you look up on them, and make every single morning remind it your head. You are not alone with the same aims and goals. And there is no way to not to achieve. Therefore, I want you today to grab a paper and a pen and write down every single thing what you wish to achieve in your future. And then after, write down all those small steps what you can take each day. So it's gonna slowly develop. And lastly, but not at least, start to believing in yourself, because you can do, be, and have whatever you want. And this present now, you're creating your future. So whatever you make small steps, believe me, is gonna come by. See you very soon, everyone. That was Naomi, the Daily Motivational Planner.